As the Senate resumes its inquiry into the crimes related to the Philippine offshore gaming operator Sir Pogos, Senators grill Bamban-Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo as they point out conflicting claims over her origins. This as she claims that her mother was a housekeeper whom she never met. However, senators pointed out that based on her birth certificate, the mayor's parents, Amelia Leal and Angelito Guo, were married.
Don't use that word kasambahay kasi pinagluloko mo lang kami. Paano maging kasambahay yung nanay mo kung sila ay kasal ni papa mo? Maliban na lang kung si papa mo ay nagsisinungaling dito sa birth certificate. And what is the reason why would he lie?
Yung birth certificate ko po, binigay po sa akin ng tatay ko nung hiningi ko po sa kanya. Ang nabasa ko po doon sa birth certificate ko po, nakalagay po doon, yung biological mother ko po ay housekeeper. At pasensya ka na, Sen Rafi. Ayaw ko po sisihin yung tatay ko. Mahal ko po ang tatay ko.
Wala po tayo, madam, wag niyo pong nilalayo yung topic. Wala pong kaming sinisisi rito. Ang sa amin lamang is trying to find the truth.
Guo also clarifies that she has siblings named Sheila and Seaman Guo. In the first hearing, the Bamban mayor denied that she knows the two individuals. But based on their birth certificates, their parents' marriage has different dates.
Why would you lie about something like this? Bakit po kailangan magsinungaling sa bagay na napakadali namang pong i-check?
Nakaraan po na Senate hearing. Kaya po, lahat na lang po naging sagot ko po is I don't know, hindi ko po alam. Dahil ayaw ko po madamay pa po ang ibang tao.
According to Senate Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations and Gender Equality Chairperson Senator Risa Hontiveros, the mayor's birth certificate was registered not in 2003 but in 2005 when Guo was 19 years of age. Guo's parents also did not have marriage and birth records. Senators also questioned the nationality of Guo's father.
Why would you say he's a Chinese national with a Chinese passport, pero ang nakalagay sa birth certificate mo ay Pilipino siya? So, naiintindihan mo ba kung bakit ang gulo-gulo po ng kwentong buhay nyo tungkol sa pamilya nyo? So, bakit?
Your Honor, ayaw ko po magsinungaling. Ang tatay ko po ay Chinese at hindi po ako yung nag-prepare po ng birth certificate ko po.
According to the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, based on their fact-finding investigation, Guo's birth certificate, which was supplied by her father, has irregularities.
Doon sa incorporation papers, consistent na Chinese ang nationality ng tatay niya. Yung salaysay ng tatay niya, hindi totoo.
Mataas po ang posibilidad na hindi totoo yung salaysay niya nung nagrehistro po ng birth certificate.
Nagsinungaling siya, nakasal siya kay Amelia.
Opo.
Tama?
Posible po.
Para sa akin, ang pag-analisa ko dito, nagsinungaling yung applicant eh.
Yes.
Para yung kanyang mga anak maging Filipino. At pag Filipino ka, pwede kang bumili ng lupa, pwede kang magtayo negosyo, pwede kang kumuha ng passport, pwede ka rin tumakbo bilang mayor.
After the hearing, Guo maintains that she is not a foreign spy planted by the Chinese government as alleged.
Ako po ay isang Filipino at hindi po ako spy.
Guo's counsel says they will prove that Guo is indeed a legitimate Filipino. The Senate panel will call for an executive session and another committee hearing over the issue. Harleen Delgado, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.